Hi, this is my seventh video of the series Data Science. In this video, we will talk about neutral Bayes classification. Like building a neutral network with Python. Uh, Understanding neutral networks. Neutral networks are a class of machine learning models inspired by the human brain. They consist of interconnected nodes called neurons organized in layers. These networks are capable of learning complex patterns and making predictions. Implementation with Python, TensorFlow, Keras. Let's build a simple neutral network to classify the famous MNIST dataset of handwritten digits. Then data preparation. Log the MNIST dataset, flatten the images into 1D arrays, normalize the pixel values, convert class labels to one hot encoding, model training. Create then model training, model architecture. Create a sequential model with two dense layers. The first layer has 128 neurons with ReLU activation. The second layer has 10 neurons with softmax activation for probability distribution. Then we have model compilation. Then we have optimizer. Adam optimizer is used to update the model's weight, loss function. Categorical cross entropy is used to measure the model's error matrices. Accuracy is used to evaluate the model's performance. Model training. So the model is trained on the training data for 10 epochs with a batch of size of 32. Validation data is used to monitor the model's performance during training. Then model evaluation. So the model is evaluated on the test set to access its final performance. And some key points are try different numbers of layers, neurons, activation functions, optimizers, and learning rates. Regularization, then use techniques like dropout of L1 or L2. Regularization to prevent overfitting. Data augmentation, then increase the size of your data set by creating new data samples through transformations like rotation, flips, and zooming. Transfer learning, so leverage predetermined models and large data sets to improve performance on smaller data sets by understanding these concepts and experimenting with different techniques. So you can build a powerful neutral network for various tasks. So here is the code, like we import a library TensorFlow.keras models, TensorFlow.keras.layers, TensorFlow keras.datasets, and TensorFlow.keras.utils. Then we load the MNIST dataset. Then flatten the images into 1D array like this. Then we normalize the pixel values to the range of 0 to 1. Then we convert class labels to one hot encoding. Then we create a sorry. Um, yeah. then we convert a class label to create a simple sequential model, and we create a simple sequential model, then compile the model. We compile our model, then train the model. We train our model in this, then evaluate the model on the test set. So here's our output. This is our output. This downloading data from this site. We downloaded data from this site. Thank you. That's all for today's video.